Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Analytics for social media ROI or return of investment. The first thing that we need to do is to go to analytics.google.com. What you are seeing here is the landing page for Google Analytics. So, on this video, we want to check or to track our social media ROI. In our times, technology is the most common thing, and having social media is a basic necessity for this generation. Now, social media are being used to have your own personal income. So whether you are a social media influencer or having your online business or simply having a physical business, social media is a outlet or a way for you to reach clients or potential clients, whether they are on the other side of the globe. So for us to track our social media ROI or return of investment, so we will go to reports. Now, since we are measuring or tracking our ROI or money in short, so we'll go to monetization. So what we have in monetization, so we have the overview, we have e-commerce purchases, in-app purchases, publisher ads, promotions. So first, let's check the overview. What we will see in overview is the total revenue, the purchase revenue, and the total ad revenue. Also, if you scroll down, you can also saw the total purchases, first-time purchasers, the average purchases per revenue per users, item purchased by, then the items viewed in promotion, purchases revenue by order coupon, then the product revenue by product ID, publisher ad impressions. Next, in the e-commerce purchases, we can see the items viewed by item name over time, items viewed and items added to cart by item name, then the report for the items viewed, item added to cart, items purchased, and item revenue. Next, for the in-app purchases, so we can see the quantity by product ID over time, quantity by product ID, and the overall report. For publisher ads, we can see the publisher ad impressions by ad unit over time, the publisher ad impressions by ad unit, and also the overall report. And lastly, the promotions. So we can see items viewed in promotion by item promotion name over time, and also the items clicked in promotion. And it also have the overall report for promotions. And that's how you use Google Analytics for social media ROI. But to use Google Analytics, first you need to set up an account. So for you to learn how to set up your account in Google Analytics, please watch our previous video about Google Analytics. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more videos, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.